Nobody ever rounded up all the kids with ADHD and said, hey, when shit hits the fan, you're the one that people need. When chaos hits, your ADHD brain doesn't freeze, it fires. Everything slows down, and your brain finally begins to mesh with the external world, unlike normal. Suddenly, you just know what to do. Even if the situation is extremely unfamiliar, you know what steps in what order and how to make people feel comfortable and how to get out of the situation as quickly as possible. Your hyperfocus actually becomes a real superpower. While others freeze or spiral, you're searching for solutions, identifying resources, coming up with contingency plans, all faster than anybody else within a 10-mile radius could ever do. That so-called scattered brain of yours, it's a laser cutting through the noise, locking in on what matters most. You are not just reacting, you are thriving. Look, nobody wants to be in an emergency situation, but if there's somebody to have nearby, it's you. See the big picture and the tiny details all at once, choreographing every move like you've been here before. And when it's all over, people will say, how on earth did you do that? How'd you stay so calm? Are you a spy or a secret agent? Or what does that say about our brains that it takes an emergency of epic proportions to feel almost normal?